Something that may be on your mind, especially if you're located outside of the United States, is the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, and its effect on email marketing. Has this changed what you can do with email marketing and data collection? And if so, how? Well, what we have here are the seven basic issues that the GDPR covers, and it is important to note that it affects anybody that does business in the EU, regardless of where you are actually headquartered. So, if you are headquartered in the United States, but you have customers who are based in Europe, then this will apply to you. There are a lot of things that you see here, like purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitations, things like that, that could apply to email. So, what does that mean? Well, the big thing that you need to keep in mind is the opt in, the transparency, and the ability to opt out. So, what that means is that when you sign up for something and you give them your personal information, including email, that website or app or whatever it is needs to be clear about what they're collecting, what they're doing with it, and how you can opt out of it. So let's look at an actual example. So here we have a site that is promoting the download of a free white paper. You click here and you can put in your information, your name, company, country, whatever that might be, as well as your email, phone number, and click download. However, what we see here is that we're giving them our email, but we haven't given them any permission with what to do with it. However, we see here, by submitting this form, you're agreeing to processing of your data according to our privacy policy. If we go to that privacy policy, we may want to look at what they say about email collection. So let's search email. They say they're collecting it, information we collect on our website. But as I scroll down here, we see personal communication. You may opt out of receiving promotional emails by following the instructions on those emails. If you opt out of such messaging, we may still send you transactional or relationship messages, such as those about your account or ongoing business relations. So in this situation, this would be compliant because they do need your email to send you this white paper that you're signing up for. What they're saying, though, is that if you don't want to get any other messaging, you can choose to opt out, and this is how you do so. Now, if you want to create a form that is GDPR compliant, MailChimp actually helps with that. On MailChimp's Audience Builder, when you go to create the form, you actually do have an option to make that sign up form GDPR compliant, where it is very clear exactly what people are opting in for, what they are choosing to subscribe to. This can be found under the audience section. If you are not using MailChimp, I recommend you check what options your email provider has for this. So the GDPR is certainly important. It does apply here. There are very easy ways to be compliant by updating your privacy policy or changing your opt-in form to make sure that it is clear what you are collecting, how you are using it, and how users can opt out of it.